In this video I will show you how you can use the iPad case as a stand for watching videos, movies, to watch YouTube. It's really easy. You don't have to hold the iPad in your hand. I mean, you can hold it vertically. In that case you have to hold it in your hand, but when you hold it horizontally to watch a movie or a YouTube video like this one, with the iPad or pretty much any tablet that has a case like this, you have to make sure it's the right case for your device, for your iPad. And you see this this model of iPad case. This is the iPad case with that can be folded, and it folds like this, so you hold it like a book. It can also go behind the iPad. It can go behind the iPad and form like a thing to hold the device while you're reading or watching something. But you can also do it this way. Look, make a triangle shape under the iPad, behind the iPad, and look what's the magic here. You have a stand now. That's the stand built into the case. That's why it has those three sections like that, and it's magnetic, so it stays together. It's pretty nice. And there are different ways to use the case. You can use it to hold it really tall like this, vertical almost, but you can also use it to hold it at a lower angle like that. You see, in this way you fold it this way and it's a bit lower, almost like sitting flat on the surface, but it's not. If you do something, use an app that you need to press some buttons on it, then this is more useful. It's almost like a keyboard. You could use the iPad as a control surface for something else. That's pretty nice. You could even hold your phone behind the iPad like this. Your iPhone, mine not so much iPhone, it's an Android phone, but you know what I mean. I mean, you can put an iPhone there or an Android phone or anything. You could use the iPad as a virtual keyboard or a virtual controller for your phone device to control any software, any app, and you can keep it like this. These are really the main uses to use the case as a stand. It has a few variations. It could be a bit higher or lower. It's up to you how you want it. It could be a triangle that sits like this. See, like the flat part of the triangle goes under the iPad, or the flat part goes on the table. It's really many ways to use this. If you don't have a case for your iPad, I'll put links in the description for iPad cases or generic Android tablet cases. It's a nice way to protect your device, mostly from dropping, but to also have it as a stand. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment section below if you use a cover for your iPad, for your tablet, and if you don't, why.